Pierre Henri de Valenciennes was December 6, 1750, died February 16, 1819, was a French painter who was influential in elevating the status of open-air painting. Painting outside allowed Valenciennes to capture the fleeting changes of a landscape due to light and weather. He was a proponent of artists working outside and painting the same view at multiple times of day, although he spoke of this as a type of painting mainly of interest to amateurs, as distinguished from the higher art of the academies. He found it of great interest. And of his own works, the surviving landscape portraits have been the most noted by later commentators. He in particular urged artists to capture the distinctive details of a scene's architecture, dress, agriculture, and so on, in order to give the landscape a sense of belonging to a specific place. In this he probably influenced other French artists active in Italy who took an anthropological approach to painting rural areas and customs, such as Hubert Robert, Pierre-Athanase Chauvin and Achille-Etna Michallon. Among his students were Jean-Victor Bourdin, Achille-Etna Michallon, Louis-Étienne Waitelet, Louis-François Lejeune and the first French panorama painter Pierre Prévost.